The goal at Mason Institute is to assist you in achieving financial freedom within 10 years. That's easy to say, but the reality is that most Americans are just struggling to survive and not able to think about financial freedom. At the start of 2022, 64% of the American population was living paycheck to paycheck, up from 61% in December, according to a Lending Club report. You may have a good job, yet you struggle to get ahead. Maybe you were fortunate enough to start your investment journey but quickly hit a financial wall that abruptly halted your investment growth. You're upset and frustrated because you feel like you've done all the right things. You've put in the time and effort just to have the feeling of being completely stuck about making any meaningful financial progress. Believe me, you're not alone. Don't get discouraged. Remember, your goal is to reach financial freedom within 10 years or possibly less. Success doesn't happen in a straight line. There are ebbs and flows along this journey. The most important thing to remember is to stay the course and remain focused. Along this financial ride, you will constantly encounter peaks and valleys. You must accurately assess the current situation and make subtle adjustments along the way. The harsh truth is that you probably can't outwork this economy with your current job. You are spending more and buying less. You've maxed out your hours at work. Inflation has wiped out any hourly monetary gains received from yearly raises. You feel like you're going financially backwards. The solution to this financial pain is to become more productive and increase your active income. But how? At Mason Institute, we have found one of the most profitable side incomes available. It has been so lucrative that many people end up leaving their jobs to do this full time. This sounds too good to be true. It's not. One of the best ways to earn additional income is to become a loan signing agent or mobile notary. This industry has proven to work in all economic conditions. People will always look for a place to live in any economy. There are no limitations as to how far you can scale this business. You are in control of your own destiny. This field has grown in popularity over the past couple of years with such a hot real estate market, but it will remain steady in any market because people are always buying or selling their home for various reasons. So what is a loan signing agent? They are a state commissioned notary who notarizes mortgages and loan documents. This includes documents for loan closings, purchases, refinances, and other mortgage packages like reverse mortgages. So how do I become a loan signing agent? The requirements to become a notary are minimal. It is one of the easiest and best paying side jobs available with low barrier to entry. 1. Make sure you meet all of your state's requirements. 2. Take a training course from a state approved vendor. 3. Complete your state's notary application form. 4. Pass the state administered exam. 5. Complete a background check. 6. Receive your commission certificate from your state in the mail. 7. Get a surety bond. 8. File your bond and oath of office with your local county clerk. 9. Buy your notary journal and notary stamp from a designated vendor. And 10. Get E&O insurance. So how do I get jobs? Well, you can get jobs from title companies, mortgage companies, signing services, and escrow companies. And what are the benefits? For 1, you can be your own boss and have a flexible schedule. 2, you can get paid between $75 to $200 per client. 3, it's recession proof. 4, you can scale to build your own team of loan signing agents. And 5, there's low startup costs. So how can I make $100,000 as a loan signing agent? Well, let's take the industry standard of $150 a day. To make $100,000, that's 667 loan signings per year. That's roughly 56 signings per month. That's 14 signings per week. That equates to roughly 2 signings per day. This can be accomplished while still working a full-time job. Signings are 24/7, so you can do an early morning signing before work and an evening signing after work. Or you can do 2 evening signings. Saturday and Sunday, you can pick 2 convenient times that works for you throughout the day. The choice is yours. It's a simple math equation. Within a few short weeks, your bank account should see a dramatic change to your checking account balances. There's no better industry that is this flexible and so highly paid. It gets even better. You can diversify your income by tapping into the entire notary ecosystem. Here's a couple examples. 1. General notary public work. 2. Remote online notarization. 3. Specialty notary work. 4. E-closings. 5. Wedding officiant. 6. Apostille. 7. Live scan fingerprinting. 8. Home and field inspections. 9. Permit running. And 10. Mortgage loan signings. So besides mortgage companies, mobile notaries are needed by attorneys, banks, nursing homes, and hospitals, permit offices, and wedding officials. With numerous possibilities within the notary ecosystem, there is no reason not to have this new active income stream flowing within a short period of time. So go produce a new revenue stream. Take control of your financial future. Become your own boss. Create your own schedule. If you're willing to take the time, commitment, and dedication to financially get ahead, go to Mason Institute and join the complete notary mentorship group taught by one of the top professionals in the business.